Suddenly, thump, 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 what's that sound? A big loud bump, run and hide. The animals shout, the forest hides. What's coming out? Goats run fast into the shed. Cows rush to stables full of dread. Sheep run quick to their pen. Oh, what a sight, says Tractor then. From the forest comes a giant surprise. A plushy chick with big bright eyes. Koko hi, says Tractor with cheer. Come to the farm, you're safe here. Oh, Koko laughs and plays all day with chicks and ducks and sheep at play. He jumps, he dances, flaps his wings. Fun on the farm is what he brings. Koko jumps with the funny bulls. Up and down they laugh in lulls. They bounce around, they stop and play. What a crazy, happy day. Oh, Koko hisses with the silly geese. They flap their wings, the noise won't cease. He copies them, they copy back. A noisy farm, fun-filled attack. Koko naps with the turkeys near. Soft on the straw, he has no fear. He closes eyes, he dreams so sweet. A cozy farm nap, a perfect treat. The sun goes down, it's time to rest. Koko sleeps, he's done his best. Tractor waves and says goodbye. See you tomorrow, don't be shy.